Student, in this video I am showing how to find the maximum and minimum stress of a section. Let's see the problem. A rectangular column 200 mm wide and 150 mm thick is carrying a vertical load of 20 kN at an eccentricity of 50 mm in a plane bisecting the thickness. Determine the maximum and minimum intensities of stress in the section. Let's see the solution. Here given width B is equal to 200 mm and thickness D is equal to 150 mm. And eccentric load P is equal to 120 kN, so it becomes 120 into 10 cube Newton. And eccentricity E is equal to 50 mm. Now you show the figure. This is the section and load P is acting here, and from y-axis the eccentricity is equal to 50 mm, and this is the planned section. Here take A, B, C, D, and B is the width 200 and thickness is 150. And this is the elevation and this is the plan. So area of the section we can write A is equal to B into D, and it is 200 into 150. Now maximum intensity of stress in the section we already know, sigma max is equal to P by A into 1 plus 6E by B. So here put all these values. It comes 120 Newton per mm square. Here sigma max is positive, so we can write here compression in nature. And the minimum intensity of stress in the section we know, sigma mean is equal to P by A 1 minus 6E by B. Here also put these values and it comes minus 2 Newton per mm square. This is negative, so it is tension in nature. So now we draw the figure. Here in this corner B and C, this is the maximum compression occur because here it is the nearer to the applied load, and minimum stress will be occur at the corner AD because this is the far away from the applied load. So maximum stress is compression, it is below the neutral axis, and the sigma mean, that is minimum stress is occur, this is tension, it is negative, so it in upward of neutral axis. Thank you. For next problem you see the next video.